Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts without an oven. First, gather your ingredients for the dough. You'll need flour, sugar, yeast, milk, and an egg. Once the dough is mixed, let it rise until it doubles in size. This usually takes about 1 hour in a warm place. Then, you'll shape your donuts before the frying process begins. It's a simple and rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homemade treats. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Warm 1/2 cup of milk to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit to activate the yeast. Combine these with 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix everything until a soft dough forms, then knead it for about 8 minutes. Let this dough rise in a greased bowl until it doubles, which takes approximately 1 hour. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to shape your donuts. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for about 60 seconds per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them and let them drain on a wire rack. For a classic glaze, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 4 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Dip your warm, fried donuts into this glaze, ensuring they are fully coated. Let any excess drip off before placing them back on the wire rack to set. These homemade, no-oven donuts are best enjoyed fresh. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.